Challenges of rocket launch in Japan. Japan has carved a niche in space exploration with its advanced robotics, lunar probes, and satellite technology. But launching rockets from Japan presents unique challenges. First is geographical limitation. Japan is an island nation with mountainous terrain and limited open land. Its main launch site, the Tanegashima Space Center, has strict safety constraints due to its proximity to populated areas and the sea, reducing launch window flexibility. Next, natural disasters are a constant threat. Japan is prone to earthquakes, typhoons, and tsunamis, which can delay launch schedules, damage infrastructure, and increase insurance and maintenance costs. Japan's strict regulatory environment also creates bottlenecks. Launch approvals and aerospace development are heavily centralized and bureaucratic, which can slow down the pace of innovation compared to more deregulated environments like in the US. Another hurdle is cost efficiency. Japan's rockets, such as the HIIA and the newer H3, are technically advanced but relatively expensive. Competing with low-cost launch providers like SpaceX and India's Space Research Organization is increasingly difficult in the global satellite market. Lastly, Japan's private space sector is still emerging. While startups like Interstellar Technologies are gaining ground, they face limited access to funding, facilities, and launch opportunities, slowing the country's shift toward a more dynamic commercial launch industry. Despite these challenges, Japan remains committed to exploration. With plans for lunar missions, asteroid sample returns, and growing international partnerships, it continues to reach for the stars, carefully but confidently. Thanks for watching.